This document is a comprehensive guide on how to start and scale a growth operating business, aiming to reach a minimum of £10,000 a month in 2024. It involves partnering with a content creator to launch and scale a paid community. This community can be about anything, typically related to the creator's content niche, for example, fitness, nutrition, making money online, investing. The idea is straightforward yet powerful. Leverage the existing audience of a content creator to establish a monetized community. This community can revolve around various themes depending on the creator's focus area, such as fitness, nutrition, personal finance, investing, or any other field where there is audience interest and engagement. The growth operator acts as the architect and manager of this community. Their responsibilities include strategizing, planning, and executing the various aspects of community building. This includes setting up the platform for the community, managing memberships, creating engagement strategies, and ensuring the community's overall growth and sustainability. Content creators often have the talent and skills to produce compelling content, but may lack the business acumen or time to monetize their audience effectively. Growth operators fill this gap by providing the necessary business skills and strategies. These communities can take various forms, such as exclusive membership sites, forums, or groups where members can access specialized content, interact with each other, and often with the creator themselves. The content and activities within these communities are typically more structured and value-driven than the general free content available online. They might include webinars, Q&A sessions, exclusive resources, tutorials, and personalized advice, depending on the community's focus. The monetization of these communities usually comes from membership fees, paid resources, or exclusive access to events or content. The revenue generated is then shared between the content creator and the growth operator, as per their agreement. The typical revenue model includes a monthly or annual subscription fee for community members. This model ensures a steady income stream, making it an attractive proposition for both the growth operator and the content creator. Success in growth operating significantly depends on partnering with the right content creator. Ideal candidates are those who not only have a sizable and engaged audience, but also possess a strong personal brand and are seen as authorities in their niche. The content creator should ideally be someone who is actively looking to expand their brand and is open to exploring new revenue streams. Their audience should also be one that is likely to be interested in and willing to pay for additional exclusive content or community access. One of the main challenges in growth operating is ensuring that the community remains engaged and continues to see value in their membership. This requires continuous effort in terms of creating fresh, relevant content and maintaining active engagement within the community. Another consideration is the legal and financial structuring of the partnership between the growth operator and the content creator. Clear agreements on revenue sharing, roles, and responsibilities are crucial to avoid conflicts. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, with more people turning to online platforms for education, entertainment, and community, the potential for growth operating is significant. It offers a unique opportunity to monetize digital content in a way that benefits both the content creator and the growth operator, while also providing value to the audience. This model is particularly appealing in the current climate where digital entrepreneurship is on the rise, and people are looking for new ways to leverage their skills and passions into viable online businesses. In summary, growth operating is a dynamic and promising business model that aligns with the current trends in digital content consumption and online community engagement. It offers a win-win scenario for content creators and growth operators, providing a platform to monetize content effectively while offering audiences specialized, value-added experiences. The growth operating model has paved the way for numerous success stories, illustrating its potential to transform lives and careers. These stories not only serve as testimonials to the efficacy of this business model, but also provide insights and inspiration for aspiring growth operators and content creators. The individuals who have found success in growth operating come from various backgrounds, showcasing the model's inclusivity. For instance, some were struggling financially before discovering growth operating, while others were already established in different careers but looking for more lucrative or fulfilling opportunities. These stories often highlight a rapid transition from modest beginnings to significant monthly earnings, demonstrating the scalability of the model. For example, a young entrepreneur going from living in challenging conditions to earning over $100,000 per month is a testament to the transformative power of growth operating. Remarkably, many success stories in growth operating feature young individuals, some even in their teenage years. This aspect underscores the accessibility of the model to a younger demographic, often more attuned to digital trends and social media dynamics. The story of a 17-year-old who managed to build a paid community and earn enough to buy a Tesla within a few months is particularly inspiring. It shows that with the right strategy and dedication, age is not a barrier to success in the digital economy. A common theme among these success stories is the rapid pace at which individuals can scale their operations. For instance, some growth operators have reported going from 0 to 5-figure monthly incomes in just a few months. This rapid growth is often attributed to the leverage provided by partnering with content creators who already have a substantial and engaged audience. Success in growth operating is not limited to a specific niche. Individuals have found success in various fields, from fitness and nutrition to investing and personal finance. This diversity indicates that the model can be adapted to different content areas, provided there is an audience interested in that niche. For example, one individual might partner with a fitness influencer to create a community focused on sports nutrition, while another might collaborate with a financial expert to build a community around investment strategies. Beyond the impressive financial achievements, these success stories often highlight a significant improvement in the quality of life for the individuals involved. For many, growth operating has provided not just financial freedom, but also the flexibility to pursue their passions, travel, or simply enjoy a more comfortable lifestyle. The impact of growth operating extends to the content creators as well. By providing them with a sustainable income stream, growth operators enable creators to focus on what they do best, creating content without the constant worry of monetization. The communities built through growth operating are not just revenue sources. They often become hubs for learning, networking, and mutual support. Members of these communities benefit from the exclusive content, personalized advice, and the opportunity to connect with like-minded individuals. The success stories often include testimonials from community members who have found value in these paid communities, whether in gaining new skills, finding motivation, or receiving support in their personal or professional endeavors. Many successful growth operators emphasize the importance of continuous learning and adaptation. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and staying abreast of the latest trends, tools, and audience preferences is crucial for sustained success. These individuals often invest time in honing their skills, whether in digital marketing, community management, or understanding the nuances of different social media platforms. This commitment to learning is a key factor in their success. The role of networking and building relationships is another common element in these success stories. Successful growth operators often speak about the importance of connecting with other operators, content creators, and industry experts. These connections can provide valuable insights, collaboration opportunities, and support. In conclusion, the success stories in growth operating are as diverse as they are inspiring. They demonstrate that with the right approach, dedication, and willingness to learn, individuals can achieve remarkable success in this field. These stories not only serve as a blueprint for aspiring growth operators, but also highlight the vast potential of the digital content economy.